Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the default application or programs in Windows 10. So are you ready? Let's get started. So in order to change the default programs in Windows 10, it's really easy. All you have to do is to go to your Start menu and click on the settings here. Okay. Or you can actually reach the Windows setting using just the shortcut Windows key plus the I key in your keyboard. Okay, so here is the Windows settings. So you just have to click on this icon here, apps. So I click on this icon here, apps, and on the left pane you can choose the default apps. So I click on it, and here I can change the default applications for any file or program I want. So let's say that you want, for example, to change your browser. Here by default it's Windows Chrome or Google Chrome, but if you click on it you can change it to Firefox, for example, or Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Okay, so you can choose whatever application that you want to use as your default application. But let's say, for example, I will take here an example. So I have a text file here. So if I double click on this file, you will notice it's opened by default using Notepad. But let's say that you want to change it to Notepad++, for example. So if I go or I return back to the default apps, I can go to this option here, choose default apps by file type. So I click on it, and here I can choose actually to associate the file extension with any application I want. Okay, so I will look for .txt. So it's on the bottom here. Okay, here it is. So any text document which has the extension .txt, it will open by default but Notepad++. So let's change it, for example, to Notepad++. So if I click here, you will notice I have only three options. Notepad, which is the default app, so I can change it to WordPad, or I can go actually on the store. But Notepad++ is installed in my computer and I want to make it the default application for text file. So how gonna make that? So in this case there is actually a look around this. So I have to close that here. So all I have to do is actually to right click on this file. I go to properties, and here just open with, you will notice by default it's Notepad, but I can change it. So I click on change and I go here for more apps. I go in the bottom, so look for another app on this PC, and I will go to see where Notepad++ is. So by default it's on program here, program files. Okay, here it is. So I will look for the exec file for Notepad++. I will choose it, I will open, and I will apply. And as you can see now, I can open this text file using Notepad++. So if I double click it, it will open by default in Notepad++. So this is the best way actually if you want to associate a file type with a default application in Windows 10. So as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.